Hello guys, we are at Launca stand in IDS 2021 in Germany, Cologne. This is the Launca intraoral scanner, and this is Mr. Anil. Mr. Anil?
Yes.
He's a representative of Launca scanner.
Yes.
And he will show us how this device works.
Yes, I will show you how the device works now. This is Launca. This is the specialty. He makes dots when it is scanning. It is the most powerful system. It is similar to Prime Scan of CEREC. The other brands have line scanning systems. The advantage of dot scanning is in orthodontics, between the teeth, the resolution will be much better if you make the 3D model. So I show you our scan strategy. Normally, we start with inner side. When it turns green, you go like this. Always keep an eye on the computer. And when you're on the occlusion side, make another round. And the other side, you can make much easier, very easy to handle. If you see, it's very fast. Yes. The biggest advantage is it has two cameras, that means two eyes. The other brands have one eye only. That makes it faster and easier. When you're ready, just click. That's it. Around 38 seconds, you can make a jaw. That means around complete mouth of a patient, 2 minutes, you can make the complete job. If you make it often, it's very easy to use. This system is very simple. It is just made simple so that a dentist or a dental assistant doesn't lose any time with scanning. Just simply scan and send it to your laboratory. Laboratory do the rest. This is our technology.
Thank you very much for presentation.
No problem.
And
you're welcome.
Thank you. Hope you guys will find it interesting, and let's make some test scans.